So in order to record overhead shots, I use something that looks like this with my tripod right on top of my monitor setup, but this is kind of a pain to set up every time, so I end up getting these support poles. Now they're gonna come in a pack of 2 and they go up to 12 feet and 1 inch, which is gonna be more than enough to cover this space here. And these support poles are gonna be by Flashpoint. So that's one. And there's the second one. All right, so here's both poles, and the shortest distance for the poles is gonna be roughly 85 inches. And the way these poles actually work is gonna be with this latch system. So in order to actually extend this pole, this latch has to be raised up, but there is gonna be a safety right here. So this just has to be pushed upwards, and now the latch can freely move up, just like so. And now this can move either increasing or decreasing it. And once I get it to the right size, the latch can close just like this. And as you notice, when the latch closes, it's actually gonna extend the pole a little bit more and tighten it, and it's gonna give an extra inch. All right, and there's the first one. And as you see here, I put this right on top of the door frame just so it gives it extra support. And then the other one just on the wall. Now I was measuring from here to here and from here to here, just so it's gonna be the same on both sides, or at least as similar as possible. And then as far as sturdiness goes, here you can see there is gonna be a wobble, but as I'm putting weight on it, it doesn't seem to fall. And because I only plan on having my camera and this over here, which is gonna be a total of 6 pounds, or a little under 6 pounds, yeah, this is gonna be sturdy enough to hold those things there. And now time for the second pole, and I'm gonna put this one right on top of this door frame and over there. All right, so that's good enough, and then here's what the second pole looks like.